Hey guys,
And welcome to Unboxing Canada.
Before
Today,
before we start this video, please subscribe, like, and hit that notification button. Now you can start.
okay, so today we have two boxes. We're gonna go one by one and let's see what's in there. So guys, what do you think? Should we do this?
This one.
You wanna do this?
Yeah, I like this one.
You like this one? All right, let's do this aside. Keep this aside here. And then let's open this. This time, I'm not gonna open it. It's gonna be
Me, Ahmed.
Ahmed, all right? Because I know if he opens it, you guys will share and subscribe and whatever he said. No, that you gotta break it. So you gotta open it properly. I'm just trying to help. Ho! What do we have? What do we have?
I don't know.
Don't tell them. Don't tell them. It's secret.
I know what it is.
Okay, let's
I'm
not
so
tell
excited
them.
about it. First
Should we
thing.
go? What? Should we go?
Wait,
with
is
this
that
one?
mine? Yeah, this is mine. This one's mine.
We go with this. So this one here is
LAD.
Fusion. So
No,
let's
that's
go.
not what it is. That's the brand name.
That's the brand name? Okay. So if you can see here closer, that's the name of the company. And this is here the back of the company. It's called 7 Bright Colors Circling
That's not.
Model. Let's
That's
do.
not
Let's
the
keep
name
this
of the
here.
company. That's how many colors there are.
Fusion 3D. It's a 3D lamp.
LED lamp.
LED lamp. It says 3D. It doesn't say LED.
It's a 3D LED
Why
lamp.
don't tear the box? You better open it this way. You need the box, man.
Just born.
So Amazon.com it says, huh? Whoa.
Okay, blah, blah,
you can
blah,
come and
blah,
show the
blah,
box
blah.
here.
So this is how small it is. All you have to do is put batteries, open, and then something will pop up.
All right.
Just to put. This is the remote. And
This
that
is the
is the
USB.
charger. USB.
Charger.
Charger.
Okay.
That is one
This
of
is
them.
the instruction, how to use it. I never used this before, but I guess it's easy. Just connect this to this and that's it.
You
don't need batteries, by the way.
Yes,
You don't need batteries.
Yes, you do.
You don't.
Yes, you do.
You don't.
Let's see.
You don't. You have to connect first the power here.
What do you mean?
So this will go at the back here.
It is?
Yeah.
So where do you connect?
And then we go. We connect this
Try to
somewhere.
connect it here.
Okay, can you move a little bit? There
Yeah,
is like a USB somewhere here. Where is it? This one here. So we'll just connect it to this USB. And then see what's gonna happen
What do we
right now.
take away?
Okay, let's take this one away. Let's connect it here. Okay,
No, let me see.
so that's how it looks. All right. So what's gonna happen now? It's on.
It needs to be in the dark. Can you close?
Needs to be in the
I'll
dark.
close the light.
He's gonna close the light and see. But let's see. Okay, if you close the light, we can't see anything right now.
Okay, let's search how to do it. Let me search in the manual.
On. And then, do you see something
No.
coming up? No? I think you need to put the light on so you can see the manual, Ahmed.
I'm reading it here.
It just shows the light that's blinking, that's it.
We need to put a light here. We need to put a light here.
What? Ahmed, go and get the light on.
Okay, guys. I think there is supposed to be something coming. What's this?
Okay,
What's this?
there is something in here. Wait, let me see.
It is the koala.
Didn't we buy the T-Rex one?
No, we bought the koala.
Did we?
Remember, because the koala came.
Oh, the koala's faster. All right. Wow.
Wow.
This is amazing. So you can put the light off now and check.
Let's see how
it looks.
it looks.
Woo, that's cool. Switch them off. Wow,
Let me see.
that's cool.
Whoa.
And you can change the
That is
light
one cool
whatever you want.
koala.
Okay.
We never knew that. Now
Alright.
on to the next box,
Okay,
guys.
open the light on. All right, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and
hit that
let's
notification
get a bill
button.
for the next product coming on Unboxing Canada.
And also,
Thank you.
so you can see it. So every time we make a new video, you can get notified.
Exactly. Have a good day.